Is your Lenovo docking station not connecting? Let's troubleshoot. First, ensure your USB-C cable is fully plugged into both the dock and your laptop. Check for physical damage to the cable and ports. A faulty cable is a common culprit. Try a Lenovo certified USB-C cable. Confirm your laptop's USB-C port supports power delivery, PD, DisplayPort, DP-Alt mode, and data transfer. Not all USB-C ports are created equal. Outdated drivers can also cause connection issues. Use Lenovo Vantage to check for and install the latest dock firmware and drivers. A quick reboot of your laptop after updating can often resolve the problem. Finally, try testing the dock with another compatible device to isolate whether the issue lies with the dock or your laptop. If basic troubleshooting fails, investigate power delivery compatibility. Ensure your docking station provides adequate power for your laptop. Mismatched wattage, like a 65-watt dock on a 100-watt laptop, can lead to charging failures. Next, check your BIOS settings. Some laptops have BIOS options that disable USB-C power delivery. Make sure these are enabled. For compatibility issues, especially with non-Lenovo laptops, ensure the dock is USB-IF certified. Firmware updates often address compatibility problems, so double-check Lenovo Vantage. If you're experiencing video output problems, update to the latest VISA DisplayPort alternate mode firmware, available through Lenovo's support site. Resetting the dock by unplugging all connections for 30 seconds can sometimes resolve persistent issues. As a last resort, consider a professional repair if hardware damage is suspected.